What's going on, YouTube? All right, guys. So this is gonna be the intro to the last part of the truck vid. I just wanted to kind of explain a couple of things before. So basically, what happened was I took the trans apart, and I seen that the case was, it had wear in it. So I took it to a transmission shop, and the guy pretty much told me that it was fine, and not to worry about it. So I didn't. So I ended up putting the whole trans back together. 1 to 2 shifted smooth, but I still had no 3 or 4. The clip that I'm about to show you guys is why I think it didn't work. If not that, then it would have to be something with the actual low reverse drum or whatever, or input drum or whatever it's called, but I'm not too sure. So I ended up just getting a brand new trans, as you guys will see, stabbing it in, and the truck is back. So yeah, let's get to it.
And once you get down in here, it's kind of chipped right here, and then some scoring right here, kind of all around.
What's going on, YouTube? All right, guys. So getting back on the truck, as you can see, clouds are out. It rained earlier, so it's about 4 or 5 o'clock now. Hopefully I can get this trans in by the end of the night. So yep, wish me luck. Peace. So I got the trans underneath the car on the jack, getting ready to put it up. Let's get it. What's going on, YouTube? All right, so as you see, it's dark. It's about 11 o'clock, 11:30. Everything's in, batteries in, fluids in. All I have to do is start it and run through the gears, so hopefully everything works. Let's see. So as you can see, truck's on the ground. See if I can. Everything's in there. I haven't put that cover on yet, just because I want to watch the torque converter, make sure everything's spinning nicely and all right. So let me get this funnel out of here, close that up, and then we'll start it. All right, here goes nothing. Lights on. Okay. Everything sounds normal. Let's go. Now hopefully all the gears work. She's back on the road. Yes, sir. Whoa, that's the smoothest 1.2 I've ever felt. Okay, it's still doing the same thing as before. It's not shifting up. Oh my God, no. Now my 1.2 is super smooth. But it's still not going to fucking, oh my God. Still no third and fourth. Fuck! What's going on, YouTube? Alright, so it's been a while, guys, since I've updated you guys on the transmission. That is because I finished it and it still didn't work. 1 to 2 started shifting smooth, thankfully, but still didn't have 3 or 4. So what I ended up doing was just getting a completely brand new transmission. I didn't want to tear it down again and go through the headache. It's been 6 months since I've had my truck, so I just bit the bullet and said forget it. I'm gonna throw a fresh trans in there. This trans does have a upgraded 3/4 clutch pack. It has a Corvette servo and a few other things that are upgraded. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is, because that transmission only has like 5-10 minutes on it, I'm just gonna take that torque converter out because I bought a fresh one for that trans rebuild, but it didn't work. So I'm just gonna take that torque converter out, throw it in here, throw this trans in the truck, and then we should be good. Should have a running, working truck if all goes well. So yeah, hopefully I can do this in a weekend. That's the goal. I'm pretty sure I'm able to. So yeah, with all that being said, get back to you guys tomorrow when we get started. So yeah, hopefully truck will be back soon. Peace. What's going on, YouTube? Oh, all right, so it's the next day. Moving kind of fast because I'm losing daylight. It's about 4 o'clock now. Sun goes down at about 5, 6. So I'm about to move this BMW out of the way, pull the truck up, get to it. Let's go. Truck's up. I'll get to you guys when I'm getting ready to drop the trans. On YouTube. All right, so haven't seen you guys in a minute, but trans is out. Here's the old one. Here's the new one. All I have to do now is swap over the oil cooler line fittings, swap over the shift bracket mount thing, and then the actual shift thingy. Other than that, trans already has speed sensor, all that stuff. So yeah, man, round 2. I really didn't want to have to do this, but yeah, it had to be done. So yeah, let me get to swapping everything over, and then I'll get back to you guys tomorrow when I'm putting everything back in. So yeah, let's go on YouTube. All right, so I definitely forgot to record. As you see, transmission is in. So only thing that's left to do now is tighten up the torque converter bolts, connect all the wiring, hoses, shift linkage, and the mount, drive shaft, and then we're good. So maybe I'd say maybe another 2 to 3 hours and she should be completely done. So yeah, let's get it. Getting the drive shaft in right now. As you can see, got the cross member all on. So yep, should be done in a little bit. So getting ready to drop this thing. Everything's in. Drive shaft's in. Everything looks good. So yep. Time to start to drop it, start this baby up, see if she works. I wouldn't see any reason why it wouldn't, but you know, never know. So, round 2, let's go. So I have the truck on the ground, filled it up with trans fluid, about to connect the battery, start it, see what it does. Hasn't been started in a while. Everything looks good. Transformer lines are fine. make sure I fill everything. Felt like reverse. Felt like drive. Check the fluid one more time. Then I'm gonna take it out. Okay. That's 1 to 2. Let's go! That's 3. And that's 4. All gears. Let's go, baby. Let's go! A couple days later, I've been driving the truck around for 2-3 days now. Everything feels fine. Everything shifts smooth. I can feel the difference in the upgraded clutch packs. It's just a little bit of a kick to the shift, but other than that, everything is smooth, like smooth. So if you are having transmission problems and you don't know anything about transmissions, I probably wouldn't recommend rebuilding one. Took mine apart, threw it back together, and not knowing that my case was fried. And I'm pretty sure that's what's wrong with it. It's either the case or something with the 3/4 drum or whatever, input drum. Again, I don't know anything about transmissions. I just went out on a limb and fully rebuilt one. And I got 1 to 2 to shift smooth, but still had no 3/4. So, but yeah, this is really just the outro to the vid, or the second part to the transmission rebuild, because it took so long, because the first time it didn't work, so I had to just order a new trans. But yeah, truck's back. We can get going on the BMW right here. I just got a bride seat, passenger seat for the Crown Vic. Yeah, I'm liking the progress, so see you guys in the next one. Next video will probably be me tearing down this black BMW, because I got to get that tore down. I'm selling some parts off of that, so that'll be the next video. If you guys need parts off that, I'll let you know, blah 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 blah. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you did, these videos come every once in a while, so oh well. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Hop off the Bluebird and start smashing shit. Nigga got to the pin.